What's up, guys? Well, me and the birds are back at the 5 Mile spot. We're at this high school. And basically that gas station down there is the end of the road, so I gotta start taking them a little bit farther to the east, basically the southeast. Head them over in that direction. A couple miles that way there's a main road that'll run them out of town, and it's a good run, so we're gonna take them down that way. I'm gonna start tossing them in that direction a little bit just so they get familiar with the area. All right. Come on. Home's in that direction right there, so let's see what these guys do. At least they're staying in a group. Alright guys, see you back at the house. And now we wait. The drive home is about 8 minutes. So they've been released for at least 10, so it's 8:15 now, so you will see what time they come back. Keep you guys updated. Alright, so it is 8:19 and I just watched the birds shoot over right there. So they got back from 5 miles. Let's see, about 15 minutes. Let's see how many are actually in this group though, because like I said yesterday, they were broken up a little bit. Looks like there's a few of them missing. There they are. Alright, let's wait for them to come down. I'll call them in. I don't know exactly what happened, but that first big old group circled a couple times, hit this roof like these guys right here. I went in to drop some feed, and like I've been telling you guys in the past videos, these little blackbirds up in the trees, not that guy, but there was a bunch of them sitting right there. They went crazy. So something tells me they might have gotten hit by a hawk as soon as they landed. That sucks. No sign of that bigger group. As soon as all I see when I come out is them flying off in to the west. So that sucks. Well, they're back. Now, I went back and looked at the video on that group that came in. So originally there were 17 of them. There's been a group of 6 flying around, and these guys, the ones that are up, just made it back. I hope a hawk didn't get one of them. So keep you guys updated. I think this is the last bird. You can tell by that spot right there on his head. It looks like something tried to snatch him. I don't know. So it wasn't looking like that when I took him off. I looked at the front of his throat. This dude came back. He's freaked out. And this is the older of the 2 dark slates. Come on, buddy. Yeah, something happened to that dude. Bummer.